I'll tell you a secret. Trust is the most valuable currency in the world of relationships. It's like paper, and once it's torn, it can't be restored. It is especially important to be careful when communicating with those whose actions and character require additional attention. Remember that our environment shapes our reality. Give your attention to those around you, because the choice of who you trust determines your well-being. Don't forget, these are the ones you communicate with. It is important to understand which people can become a support and which can become an obstacle in your way. So let's strengthen our network and make it more powerful and supportive. Let's fly. The first personality type is the critic. They are always looking for flaws in everything, especially in others. Looking at those who so easily find reasons for ridicule and condemnation, we can penetrate deeper into their own nature than into the nature of those who are not so harshly attacked. A critical attitude becomes a mirror that reflects not so much the mistakes of others, but rather the character of the speaker. It is important to learn to distance yourself from this wave, criticism, because those who so shamelessly judge others are often ready to find fault and condemn even when you are out of sight. Remember, those who whisper intrigues are often losers themselves. Those who are devoted to constant collusion and the spread of intrigue are those who do not put meaning into their actions. They ridicule the shortcomings of others in order to rise above them, being in their own world. Idlers believe their activity is to delve into the lives of others, playing the master of the critic's fate. Think about it, why do such people waste their precious time on criticism? They are rarely attracted to anything spiritual, personal development work or financial commitment. Those who are endlessly immersed in gossip and spreading rumors often try to hide their failure and inability under the guise of judging others. Be careful when dealing with such individuals. Don't reveal your personal life and plans to them. No respect is shown to them, because they are most likely ready to reveal their cinema of destinies and prejudices towards you. Second personality type, imaginary friend. Someone who seems friendly to everyone, always smiles and lends a helping hand despite external beauty and popularity. Such individuals should be watched with special attention. Often, friendliness hides not so much sincere interests as the desire to maintain one's impeccable reputation. For them, you can become just an additional figure on their stage. Another link in their chain, admiration. Be careful, because those who are too actively striving to be the center of attention can quickly replace the favorite. As a result, each of us interacts with a variety of personality types, and it is important to distinguish between them in order to maintain healthy relationships and protect your inner balance. Criticism, gossip and manipulation are just three of the many faces we may encounter along the way. Knowing who is in front of you is a key skill for living a balanced and emotionally healthy life. Become someone you can trust. Try to surround yourself with people who inspire you, who supports and encourages you to grow. Let go of those whose actions seek to undermine your confidence and peace, and remember that your well-being depends on how you choose those around you, yourself, and people. May your social circle be filled with authentic, supportive relationships in which everyone finds inspiration and strength to realize their potential.